software company, and I thought to have a vlog where I can put my some of the experiences that can be helpful for me later on too. Who knows? And people who are my viewer and watching this video. So I hope it will helpful for you too. So what is the trick which I am going to show today? The trick is, if you have file in a OneDrive location, okay, and if you want to import it into the desktop, then currently the Power BI is not allowing that directly. So how we can do that? This is my file which I'm thinking to import into the Power BI desktop. There is a format. Basically, this is the trick to access the file directly from the OneDrive location. It has address, it has certain parameters, it has some keys, some hardcode value which required like download over here. This is the format. This thing you need to basically take care. And now get the URL address OneDrive file. You just go to the file and go to the share, and there you can see the embed code. So hit that embed button over here, and in this preview window you can see the embed code which is here in the bottom. So just copy it and paste just below to the your formatted form of key. Okay, so now this embed code is required to make a format as mentioned above. So remove everything before HTTPS. Okay, now this format till the live.coms class, and then there is download. So remove the embed and put download before the question mark. First line is complete, and in second line you can see that there is already a res ID, auth key, and even ampersand email. So you have to keep as it is till the ampersand em equal to an ampersand. N is a number over here, and after that you have to put that app equal to Excel. Okay, so let me do that. I remove it. Okay, this is the URL which you can access directly into your Power BI desktop. And let's copy it. Okay, go to the Power BI desktop and access your OneDrive online Excel file through this web connector. Now, if you are accessing first time the OneDrive, after putting the URL over here and pressing the OK, you will be asked, you will be prompted for service account. Okay, you have to put over there in case you are accessing first time. But that this is not going to ask me because I already accessed it before. So so you see that the Power BI desktop is connecting the OneDrive, and here this is the view of the Excel sheet which is located in a OneDrive location. It has all the tables, all the fields associated with the this Excel, which is this location, OneDrive location. It's perfectly accessing that. So it's pretty cool, right? And a pretty simple trick. You can see that data also. So I hope this trick, this tip related to Power BI will help you. Please let me know in case